Alright, I want to go over the panel system. And you get to the coach if you have this app downloaded on your smartphone. And let's go right here. I've already downloaded the app. You can see it right there. One control. So then I tap on it. Welcome to the One Control. Let's get started. And we'll go Wi-Fi, my RV, right here. All right, so once I get this far, I put the password in, which is capital U, capital M, capital A, capital H, capital T, capital Z, capital O, capital U. I'll write that down. All right, get started. We're in Wi-Fi. Now I'm gonna choose a pin. I'll just put 1, 2, 3, 4. Put submit. Major pin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Submit. Okay, now you can see the controls. Now I'll let Bev take over the filming here, and I'll show you how to work the right here from the iPhone. Generator. To start the generator, all I do is just touch the button, just lightly touch the button. You see the wheels spinning. It's working. All you gotta do is just lightly touch it. That'll start the generator. You can hear the generator starting right there, and it's done. Generator's on. Also gives you your hours right there for your generator. And to shut the generator off, you just barely touch stop, and it shuts the generator right off. Then we got lighting. You can do all lights. You have awning lights, bedroom lights, kitchen lights, living room lights, low accent lights. These are great for at nighttime. Running these ones are just the lights around now. One in the bathroom, one at the walkway, and then one in the living room. You got your porch light for outside. That's for the outside on the driver's side of the coach. Anyway, that's our lighting. Your panel, more than likely, if you're on electric or a gas hot water heater, we can do our tank heater, water pump. If we want to go to water, we turn our water pump on. If it's cold out, we would hit that to keep the tank from freezing. We'd probably turn on some gas for that's for the propane for the hot water heater. You can hear it kicked on right there, and that would be pretty much non-electric, just everything running off 12 volts. You can see the black water tank is empty, the fresh water tank's got 60%, the gray water tank is 0, and the LP is 88%, which it's full. So anyway, that's how I do my monitoring and what that part of it does. So here we are on the outside of the coach. I want the awning to work. I just hit awning, which I could do that from the control panel in there, or I could do it from my iPhone. Right here, and I want to put extend. So you can see the little wheels moving. You can see the awning coming out. I just hold my finger on that until the awning is completely extended. If I can extend it completely because of that pull, we'll see. But I can stop it at any time right here. And you can see the awning is fully out. So that's the awning fully out. Now I could go back over here off my one control pad. I can go to lighting. I could go to awning out here, awning, and that turns on the lights underneath the awning. You can see that right there. And then let's say I want to turn my porch light on. I could turn that on. So bedtime, nighttime, I want to go back. I just can go reverse it, shut that off, shut the awning off, and then go back to awning here, go down, and then I want to retract the awning. So I just push retract. You can see the awning going in. All right, you can stop filming. So here we are in the coach, and I want to extend the slides. What I do is just hit the slide button here. We'll do the bedroom one first. First thing, it's very important to check your slides inside and outside. Just make sure you're not going to hit anything on the outside, and inside make sure there's nothing around the slide to keep it from opening completely. So I want to hit it out. I just push plus. You see the wheels turning here. You can hear the slide going out. Now as the slide, you can hear it towards the end there. Boom, it's done. So now we're going to put the main slide out. We'll use the touch control pad up here on the wall here. And you can see it says main slide right here. And we want to push it out. So we go right here. So I'm just holding my finger on it. I can hear it. You'll hear a couple clicks. Boom, boom. Done. Slides out. And that's all we needed to do for the slides. Now to put the slides in, let's go here. Now I'm going to go back here to the, I'll just do it from the iPhone. So the slides in. I want to do my bedroom run first. I've walked around. I've checked to make sure everything's okay. Nothing's going to affect it coming in. So all I do is hit slide in. You can see the wheels turning. That means it's performing. And you'll hear it. You'll know when it's done. When it's done, don't overhold the button. That's it. And then the same thing on the main slide here. I'll come in. I just push the down arrow. I've got the plus and the minus. I want to bring it in. In is minus. Here we go. See the slide coming in. All right, I hear the clicking. We stop. It's over. Okay, one more thing I want to talk about is USB ports. I have 4 USB ports right here, and right here you have a little place to put stuff that's charging, and then you have one right here on the dash. You can see I already have a cable plugged into it, and that's also connects to the Pioneer radio. And then if we go all the way to the back here, there's 2 in the bedroom on each side. So in the bedroom, on each side of the bed, you'll have you have an outlet and 2 USB ports, and that's it in the coach as far as charging in your phones or anything like that. There's a little shelf on each side of the bed you can plug your phone into. What I want to talk to you about real quick is the Pioneer system on the front dash here. You want to turn it on. Just hit this. You Bluetooth it into your phone. It's very important to know when you go to Bluetooth this into your phone, it has to be parked. And the emergency brake has to be set, otherwise you can't get into here. But then you just push your AV button here, go to Bluetooth. All right, on the phone here, we're gonna hit this one, the AVHX39. That's where we want to go. I'm pairing Bluetooth. Pairing required pair. Okay. And once you do this, then you can just talk on it. It makes it easier so you can use the phone and stuff like that. But that's the only thing I'd recommend. You can, like I said, you can use the navigation on it, but I wouldn't. Right, after you've gone into your phone there and do it, then you just push yes. It'll pair it. Please wait. Pairing. Please wait. Right, no, I don't want to allow the contacts. So you can get this app right here for the car navigation through Pioneer. I tried it. I didn't like it. It's 74 bucks for a year. You can get it for free for like a 7-day trial. So I mean, if you want to put it on your phone, fine. I would just use the navigation on your phone. So after I've paired the phone, you can see in here, it's pretty simple. You can just go in here. And I got some preset stations in here. As you can see, if you want to go into the powered off, just display off right there. I can go in to here. Go over to AV. Like I said, that's where I picked up my Bluetooth. I can power it off right here. Do you want to power the unit off? Yes. Now you're powered off. If I want to turn it back on, just hit the mode. Go back over here to AV, and I want to listen to the radio. Just go to radio, and you're good to go. You got FM, AM, and I am working on the Sirius satellite radio. This thing is hooked to it. The receiver's not on there, but I'm going to do something a little bit different here and see if I can get some Sirius. Had it in my last car. I enjoyed it, so we'll see what happens.